In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Gemini inside Docs and how to use it to draft, rewrite, and polish your writing without leaving your document. Start by opening Google Docs in your browser. You can open an existing file or create a new blank document. Either works. Give the page a second to load fully so all the tools appear. Now, look for the Gemini icon inside Docs. You'll usually find it on the right-hand side panel, alongside tools like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. It's labeled Gemini and opens a helpful sidebar when you click it. Depending on your layout, you may also see a small Help Me Write button with a sparkle icon inside the document area. If your window is very narrow, try maximizing or zooming out slightly so the side panel appears. Opening a fresh blank doc can also make the button more visible. Click the Gemini icon to open the panel. You'll see a text box where you can type what you want help with. Think of this like a clear, friendly instruction to a writing assistant. Be specific about your goal, the audience, and the style. For example, you could say, draft a 2-paragraph introduction explaining the benefits of remote work in a professional but approachable tone. Or summarize the key points from the text below in 5 bullet-style sentences and then paste your text. The clearer your prompt, the better the result. When Gemini generates a draft, take a moment to review it. If it's close but not perfect, refine your prompt. You can ask for a more concise version, a different tone, like more formal or more casual, or requests such as adding examples, clarifying jargon, or shortening long sentences. When you're happy, insert the content into your document. If you're revising existing text, select the passage first, then ask Gemini to rewrite, simplify, or expand it. This keeps your formatting tidy and makes it easy to compare before and after. Use Gemini to brainstorm outlines, create headlines, draft emails or reports, summarize long sections, or turn notes into polished paragraphs. Always give it a quick fact check and make adjustments so the final result matches your voice and intent. Remember, you can undo inserts at any time, and version history in Docs keeps your changes safe. That's it. Open Google Docs, find the Gemini icon, click it, and start creating. Try a few prompts, iterate quickly, and watch your writing come together faster and with more clarity right inside Docs.